body shop grind, always searching for a better line. Less damage, less dust, less waste, a smarter way to polish paint. I saw plastic lenses cut and clear, one product doing everything there. That's when it hit, simple and true, one solution all the way through. One product, one system, one name. 1996 changed the game. From that moment, nothing stayed the same. CSI polish was born in flame. 'Cause born in flame. Wool of foam, it cuts down deep, pulls scratches out, still finishes clean. Heavy correction, one step shine, detail a body shop, same line. One product, one system, one name. Fast, efficient, no redo pain. Less cost, less time, more profit gain. CSI polish redefine the game. Detailer, single pack, single product. Body shops, two pack, same conduct, different jobs, one solution. Built for speed, built for production. Revolutionary, fast and safe, less expensive, less mistake. The only one to guarantee a faster way to